This is exactly how I caught 112 points trading the Nasdaq today. Coming into the day, I was leaning bearish for a few reasons. Starting off on the weekly time frame, we can see that price is trading above a weekly unmitigated fair value gap that I want to see price hit and then move higher. Moving down to the hourly time frame, we can clearly see that price is in bearish order flow. We know this because price is creating lower highs and lower lows right here. To add on to that, we can clearly see when price inverses a bearish fair value gap towards the upside, we fail to sweep out any significant liquidity higher and immediately make a move back down. After seeing the market respect this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, all I wanted to see at open was get a move higher to then get a short and target the 4 hour intermediate low and the weekly gap that was unmitigated down below, being these two black lines. At market open, NQ ended up sweeping out this hourly intermediate high and also mitigating this more premium 30-minute gap. At the same time, ES ended up mitigating its 15-minute gap above, meaning we had true manipulation on both indexes. From there, NQ had displaced into the 5-minute gap below, creating a 5-minute intermediate low, and then moved up, sweeping out this 4-minute sponsored intermediate high to then look for a short down. At the same time, ES had just put in a bearish SMT with New York AM high. After putting in the bearish SMT, I was willing to enter a short position. I saw we flipped this 1-minute gap right here, inverting it towards the downside, so I entered in my short. Entering the position, I put my stop loss above the swing high with the SMT, my take profit at the unmitigated weekly gap, and I had my reduced risk swap being at the 5-minute intermediate low. The trade ended up hitting my break-even spot, or my reduced risk spot, and I ended up reducing risk. The reason I went reduced risk here instead of break even is because this 5-minute intermediate low is attacking high resistance and defending low resistance, which means it's higher probability for us to just run straight through it, straight to my take profit, than getting an unnecessary break even. We can see here my trade ends up playing out perfectly, straight to my draw on liquidity, good win on the day, followed the market nicely, and very proud.